Hello and welcome guys, welcome to IIS Solutions. In this video we are going to see how we can enable IIS feature in this Windows 10 operating system. As it is very easy to enable this feature, you can do it in just few clicks. So before getting started, let me show you whether it is already installed in our system or not. To check the IIS status, in the search box type inetmgr. Now you can see there is no IIS services installed. That's why we are getting this result. So we will install IIS feature now. To install this feature, type control panel in the search box. Now click on control panel, click on programs and features. Now click on Windows features on and off. Now you will see the list of Windows features. We have to click on Internet Information Service. So I am selecting this. Now click OK. So the installation is started. It will take a couple of minutes. So the feature is installed. Now click on Close. Now let's see again the status of the Windows feature. Again type inetmgr. Now you can see Internet Information Service is installed. Now click on this. So this is the dashboard of the IIS. So we have seen how to install IIS on the Windows 10 operating system. So guys, if you like this video, just hit a like button and make sure you subscribe this channel to get the latest notification of the new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.